This video provides a walkthrough of the auto-scale feature for Workspot Cloud App Pools. For further details, please refer to the linked knowledge base article. First, we'll establish the auto-scale policy, which includes 4 time slots for each day of the week. Each slot specifies the minimum number of servers to run at that time. Today being Sunday, the schedule mandates 1 server by 10 a.m., 3 servers by 11:30 a.m., and 1 server from 12 p.m. onwards until shutdown at 12:30 p.m. Throughout the day, Workspot Control will adjust server allocation based on predefined percentages in the auto-scale policy. This video demonstrates this dynamic behavior. In this Cloud App pool with 4 servers, all servers are currently deallocated due to the policy's 0 server setting. Load balancing operates on a depth method, allowing Workspot Control to fill servers until capacity, where for demonstration purposes, capacity is set to 2 sessions per server. At 10 a.m., 1 server is online per the policy. As users log in, additional servers are provisioned. Workspot Control continues this process as user demand increases. As users log out, Workspot Control scales down to meet the minimum server requirement per the policy. The peak time, 11:30 a.m., mandates 3 servers. Then ramping down from 12 p.m. to maintain 1 server. By 12:30 p.m., all servers are deallocated, preparing for the next day's cycle. In summary, the autoscale policy dynamically adjusts server allocation based on user demand, ensuring optimal resource utilization throughout the day.